Zelle to Cash App, direct transfer myth busted. Ever split a bill with friends and someone proudly announces, "I can Zelle you," only to be met with a confused, "But I don't have Zelle, I use Cash App"? We've all been there. Both Zelle and Cash App are fantastic money transfer services, but can you actually skip the awkward back and forth and just send money directly between them? Let's face it, navigating the world of digital wallets and money transfers can be tricky. There are fees to consider, transfer speeds to compare, and security protocols to understand. Today's video tackles a burning question: can you ditch the middleman and send money straight from Zelle to Cash App? Buckle up, because we're about to bust a common myth and explore some smart workarounds. Why can't you directly Zelle to Cash App? The short answer is no. Here's the deal: Zelle and Cash App are separate financial networks. Think of them like train stations on different lines. Passengers, your money, can't hop directly between them. Zelle focuses on transferring money between bank accounts linked to your phone number or email address. Cash App, on the other hand, functions as a digital wallet with its own banking partners. While both connect to your bank account in the background, they operate on independent systems. So, how do I transfer money between them? Don't worry, there's still a way to get your funds where they need to go. Here's the good news: since both Zelle and Cash App connect to your bank account, you can use it as a bridge. Here's a two-step approach. Step 1. Move money from Zelle to your bank account. This part is easy. When someone sends you money through Zelle, it lands in the bank account you link to your Zelle profile. Double-check which account it is, just in case you have multiple ones linked. Step 2. Transfer money from your bank account to Cash App. Now, it's time to get that money into your Cash App. Most banks allow transfers through their mobile apps or online banking platforms. Here's what you typically need to do. Open your bank's app or website. Locate the money transfer section. This might be called Transfers, Send Money, or something similar. Choose Cash App, if it's listed, or select Transfer to another bank account. Enter the routing number and account number associated with your Cash App account. You can find these details within the Cash App itself, usually under the Banking tab or your profile settings. Input the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Your bank may ask you to verify your identity with a PIN or fingerprint scan. Pro tip: watch out for transfer fees. While Zelle transactions between linked bank accounts are generally free, your bank might charge a fee for transferring money out to another account, like Cash App. Double-check your bank's policy before initiating the transfer to avoid any surprises. Cash App itself typically doesn't charge fees for receiving money, but sending money with a credit card has a 1.5% fee. Alternative solutions: consider other money transfer apps. Here's another option: some money transfer services work with both Zelle and Cash App. These platforms act as intermediaries, allowing you to send money directly between the two apps. However, be sure to research any associated fees before using them. Remember, safety first. Whenever you transfer money online, be cautious. Here are some safety tips. Only transfer money to people you know and trust. Double-check the recipient's information before confirming the transaction. Beware of phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or enter your financial details on unknown websites. Enable two-factor authentication on both Zelle and Cash App for added security. While directly transferring from Zelle to Cash App isn't possible, the two-step bank transfer method is a reliable workaround. Remember to factor in potential fees and prioritize security during the process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy and safe money management.